Oh yeah. Don't know about you, but it's R.I.U. Who the fuck are you? No niggas talking, I don't care what they saying. I'm kinda confused, you a bitch or a man? Ain't how I stand, I don't talk like a hoe. When I re-up, my bitch don't know. They be on my job when I'm fresh in my clothes. Never got pussy when my clothes had hoes. Streets getting cold, they ain't sticking to the code. Best friend turn, just see a bitch pole. Never flat, cause I never had it. Been neglected, my life's a tragedy. Made a transformation, might call it magic. At least I'm real, y'all fake like plastic. Niggas is corny, y'all need to retire. Can't come around here, your past is fire. Your main squeeze get more head than a blow dry. All I had to do is fix a flat tire. Don claim me real here, damn liar. Think you ain't stick cause you didn't wear a wire. You took it upon yourself, get the cops to quiet. Every time you send a shot, a bitch backfire. Your girl on fire, and I'm just stating facts. She gave me boxing necks for some cigarettes. I bet you knew his background, you wouldn't like him. You knew how she got around, you wouldn't wife him. Hold on, yeah you will, you got her on your chest. Reputation to flop, if they knew the rest. Dealing with depression, don't press me, I probably explode. Me and LA rolling up in this one for the road. Destination to Boston, cause his partner got them 8 balls. I miss my dog, it broke my heart when we fell off. Thought I was trying to holler at his girl on Facebook. Just because we became friends, my nigga, that is Facebook. My face look like fuck it, I guess it's meant to be. One less nigga insecure in my circle, it's helping me. I bet you knew his background, you wouldn't like him. You knew how she got around, you wouldn't wife her. Hold on, yeah you will, you got her on your chest. Reputation to flop, if they knew the rest. Go hard like I'm supposed to be, I swear these niggas ain't close to me. And if they are, I shank or squeeze. Ain't no need to speak, grinding for the yellow Chevy. It look like Bumblebee, I'm very humble, but I transform. If you owe me cheese, please put it in my mouth. That's what she said last night, cause I was exhausted from work. I couldn't give a pipe, phone going off. Busy handling business, envisioning living. Then I spoke it to existence. Expedition let you know I'm not a hoe, that's me, okay? Hard mornings, early morning, I need a smoke to take it away. If I don't take my medication, I'm a NWA, might seem cool out the blue. Get punched in the face, been sucker punched before. Love here ain't no more, heart been broke before. I've been broke before, homeless with no place to go.